me, Poppy.
And me, Sawyer.
And we're the
MessMakers!
Today we're going to talk about pour painting. First, I want to show you a painting that we've already made. This one. Today we're going to talk about what supplies you need to pour paint. First, rubber gloves and paper towels. Next, a canvas. You can get it at a craft store. Acrylic paint. Be careful, this does not come out of clothes. So you might want a paint smock or an apron. Flow trough, which is a liquid that helps the paint move smoothly. You can buy this at a home improvement store. Small cups to mix paint and Floetrol together. Craft sticks to stir paint. Large cup to put your paint together. Torch to get rid of air bubbles. Yeah, that's a grown-up's job. Fire extinguisher for safety, again for the grown-ups to do. That's a basic idea of what you need to start pour painting. In our next video, we'll show you how to mix the paints. Before you go, click that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. See you soon. Bye!